Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, September the 9th, 2019. It is Sunday, as I said. We have some of the clouds after Hurricane Dorian. These are, I call plasma clouds. They look sort of like neurons. It's, I believe, plasma energy. I don't know if it's dormant sometimes due to the black hole effects of the neutron, or if it's proton-neutron interactive, which is definitely electron, because the electron does not exist without the proton or the neutron, unless it's coming from another dimension. So we're trying to figure this out as well, because it didn't make sense that there was a 3 system when there was actually only a 2 system, and the other thing was something else. It wasn't sort of, it followed a different kind of form. Now there, again, that's where it's coming from, and then it's activating over there. And then, so it's definitely a global phenomenon. When we align with the black hole, we definitely have the hurricane season. So obviously we're aligning with the black hole, and now the black hole's getting bigger, so we're getting stronger storms. But we have ways of neutralizing black hole phenomena through vacuum. One thing a vacuum doesn't like is another vacuum. Okay, so you could work with that system. Now I can see, I'm seeing some ultraviolet, because it was a cosmic storm that came through prior to the hurricanes. We're thinking that this is also the prediction. Now, I think they could have done something about that crane in Nova Scotia. They had a week to put it in a field and put it, disassemble it, but they didn't. So it's going to cost how many millions in insurance, right? So, and also the building that got ruined. So these sort of things. I mean, for how many years have we seen this problem with cranes toppling in hurricanes? I mean, really. But anyway, nobody really configures that it's going to be a problem until it's a problem. I guess that's it. But it was a problem, and they should have taken care of it. Who needs a crane in high winds at 160 kilometer winds? You don't want a crane standing up. That's just retarded. I'm sorry. Retarded. But we're having a good time here today. And we're looking, yeah, I'm retarded. Don't worry about it. So the only thing is, like, we have to really figure these things out. Because if we don't, we're really sunk. We sunk our battleship, our own battleship. And we need to really get into what's causing it, because it's getting worse. It's not getting better. So it definitely needs a white paper. And we need a white paper on so many things, because so many things don't make sense.